Hello, welcome to Texture Math. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function that is replace. So let's go through the program. So here we are writing code in fully free format, and we have set few control options, that is no debug IO and source STMT. This is mainly for the debugging purpose. And after 12 line, we are starting we have declared few variables here. So first variable is named as string1, which is of type character of length 30. And another variable we have declared here is result. It is also a character type of same length 30. Now here I have written the syntax for this replace built-in function. So first of all, let's discuss what exactly the replace built-in function is. So suppose if there is any requirement, if you want to replace few of the characters from your string into some other characters or in some other value, then in that case you can utilize this replace built-in function. So this is mainly for replacing the characters inside the string. Okay, so here I have written the syntax for it. So syntax is like that. Firstly you have to put the replacing string which you want to replace. Then after a colon you have to pass that argument or that string variable in which you want to replace the value. Okay, so this will be the replacing string and this will be the actual string in which we want to replace the value. And after the second colon we have to pass the starting position, like from where we have to start this replacement. And after the third colon we have to pass the offset, like how many characters we need to replace from this position to. Okay, so let's look how we are using it. So here on line number 24 I have assigned some string to this string1 variable, which is rpgle programming. Okay, and then we are just displaying it normally to the user as it is. Now on line number 28 we are using this replace built-in function. Here what we are doing, we are replacing uh, we are putting rpgle in caps lock, okay, in capital letters, in string 1. From correct starting position is 1 and number of offset is 5. So what it will do, it will start the replacement from first position and it will replace this string up to 5 characters. Okay, so it is clear. So what we are doing, we are mainly starting the replacement from first position, then it will replace the 5 characters with this replacement string, and then we will get the replaced or the actual like after replacement whatever the string will be there, we will get that. And on line number 30 we are just displaying it and setting the star inlr equals to star on for terminating the program. So let's compile and check whether we are getting the correct output or not. So I'm calling it. So here this is the actual string that we have assigned to the variable string1, which is rpgle programming. Now the requirement was that like we are trying to replace this small rpgle with capital rpgle, so we are using percentage replace built-in function. So if I hit enter again, so it will provide the actual replacement string, which is capital rpgle programming. Okay, so this is what we are expecting from this program or this function. So yeah, so that's how we can use or utilize this replace built-in function for replacing any particular characters from a starting. We just need to pass that starting position and the number of character which we want to replace. Okay, so if there is any requirement where you want to replace few characters inside the string, then in that case you can utilize this function. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Method.